Here's how you can choose which MP3 music player app will play songs automatically as you select the songs that save on your phone to start playing. And this is for your Poco X6 Pro or any other Poco phones with HyperOS 2 Android 15. To find and choose a default music player, use the quick access like this and tap on the settings toggle right here. Once you're in this section here, you want to go all the way down to the part that says apps right there. As you enter into the apps area, you will see these three dots at the top right, so go ahead and tap on that. And from here, you want to go to where it says Other Settings. As you enter into the Other Settings section, you'll see Default Apps, this one right there. And from here on, you'll look for the one that says Music, which is usually to the near bottom area or midway. So you'll see Music here as a music player set of apps there. Now, the music player apps will only appear if they are compatible with your phone, and you have a few that you can get from the Play Store that are free. So if you want to make this one here that you just installed, you'll tap on it, and then that will be your default player app for music that's saved on your phone. So every time you have a song on your phone that's saved and you open up the file, it'll open up with that on this player here, like and so.